to start. Oh, my! Oh, no! Drive away! Oh! Cleany needs help! Stop! Oh, thank goodness.
Cleany! Hello, Cleany!
Hi there, guys.
Cleany, we're all going to play some ball. Want to play?
That might be hard just now.
Cleany, it sounds like you have the hiccups.
Yeah.
Huh? Listen, I had a really bad case of the hiccups just last month. When they last a while, it's terrible.
Yeah. When did your hiccups start?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Oh.
Spooky, how'd you stop your hiccups?
Well, I don't quite remember.